Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. As you can tell by the title, today we're going to be doing a hair product video and we're going to be trying out something super interesting. So recently I got sent this one-step hair dryer from Playvogue and I've been dying to try it because I've seen a lot of these types of hair dryers on the market and you know, they look super interesting because they're supposed to style and dry your hair all in one step, and you're supposed to be able to get like that salon blowout type look at home super fast and easy. So basically this is like a hair dryer and round brush in one that's supposed to really easily style your hair and give you like that nice volume and smoothness, and you're supposed to be able to really easily style your hair. So I did use it today. If you want to see me try out this product right here as well as learn how to get that salon blowout look at home, just keep on watching. All right, so let's just get started. My hair is pretty damp right now. I would say about 75% dry, which is exactly where you want it to be when you're using a product like this, or even if you're just blow drying your hair with a regular blow dryer. You don't want your hair to be soaking wet. You don't want it to be completely dry either. So 75% dry, 25% damp is exactly where you want it to be. So I've been air drying it for a little bit here while I was doing my makeup and getting ready. So now we're ready to do the hair. Here is the product right here. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, this product is from Playvogue, and they have a bunch of really cool hairstyling products on their website. I'm on it right now, and they have like one of those hair colors that kind of sucks up your hair and curls it for you. They also have a hair straightener that has like the curved blades. I'm going to post some pictures on the screen so you guys can see. But the product we're going to be trying today is this one-step hair dryer. Now, I have seen products like this all over the market. Like Dyson has a really popular one, Revlon, a bunch of different brands are coming out with stuff like this. And I'm really excited to try this one right here because it's supposed to be really good. So this is the one-step hair dryer. It's like a hot comb, so it's basically like a comb and hair dryer in one that's supposed to make it super easy for you to style your hair and get like that salon blowout look at home and make it really easy to just dry and style your hair at the same time. So this uses negative ion technology and also has heat resistant grip, so some really cool technology parts to it. It also comes in two colors, so the one I have, this like rose gold and white, also comes in a chrome pink and black, which I'll put on the screen for you guys to see. So I'm just gonna read the product description real quick here just so we can get an insight on what they claim that the product does, and then we can test it ourselves. So it's supposed to be a revamped one-step hair dryer to deliver stunning blowouts, extra volume, and silky shine with one tool. Works like a charm for thick hair. That sounds absolutely amazing. And it features an H9 oval brush designed to deliver outstanding comfort and even dry out. Cool. And it has reinfused charcoal board bristles with direct ion technology to ensure safe and refreshing frizz-free hairs even on the next day. That sounds great. My hair always gets super frizzy when I blow dry it, so I'm really excited to see how this product works. Guarantees heat resistant and sweat-free grip even when using continuously for a long time. Awesome. All right, so that is all the information on the actual hair dryer. Now let's get to opening this up. Oh my gosh, it is way bigger than I thought it was going to be. So here is the product. Yeah, this is like a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. This is like a monstrosity, but it's not super heavy. The little manual. I love boxes like these. I always keep them because they're great for like either reusing the box or storing your hair product in them. So let's see here. Is there any important... Just unpackage this. And here are the bristles. So it's like supposed to be that charcoal bristle, and on the side ones it has like the little kind of bristles with the like shorter ones right here, and then on the front it's just like regular comb bristles. And the brush is an oval shape, which usually brushes, like round brushes, are usually round, so I'm excited to see how the oval shape kind of plays into it, if that's going to help with like smoothing the hair out or anything. And then we have on and off here. I love the like look of it. It's so pretty actually. And the cord, which is fairly long actually. It's a nice weight too. Like I don't feel like my hand's gonna get too tired using it, because sometimes hair tools are so heavy that they're just a pain to use. So this feels like a good weight, and it's so big that I'll definitely be able to get my hair done pretty fast, hopefully. So I just plugged it in, but I'm gonna brush out my hair And I am using like a wet brush, so I don't have to worry too much about the hair being wet and brushing it. And then I'm gonna part my hair in the middle because that's how I want it to be styled. Now I'm just going to section the hair. So I'm gonna take my hair kind of in half and clip up this top part. Just gonna turn it off to talk. So it is heating up actually while that's like going, just like a blow dryer, but then it has the brush. So I'm just gonna turn it back on. Okay, so that side is done, and I actually was able to take pretty big sections, and then I just like kind of curled the ends out a little bit, and that smoothed it out really nicely. It was really fast too. So I'm just gonna do the other side off camera, and then we'll get started on the top section. Okay, so the bottom section is now done, and it gave a really nice curl at the end. I am kind of curling it as you guys saw, but it's really nice. The hair's super soft and not frizzy at all, which is so good. So I'm just gonna take down the top now, and I'm just gonna try to do this in 2 sections because the easier and faster I get this done, the more I'm gonna like this product. So I'm just gonna start at the back. Actually gonna grab a thicker piece because this is pretty good at getting a lot of hair done at once. Alright guys, so here is this side. I think that looks pretty good. It definitely like kind of straightened it out and gave my ends that little bit of like curl too, which is what I was looking for. So I'm gonna go do the other side on camera, and then I'll be back to talk about like my final thoughts and everything. Alright, so I finished both sides, and it is like pretty smooth, and my ends have like that nice bit of curl to them. I am going to really quick kind of give my bangs a bit more of that curl. So I'm just going to grab them, kind of bring them to the center, and go up. So once I formed the shape I liked, I switched it to the cool setting so that it would lock the style in and that curl would really stay put. So you can see how that curled really well. So what I did, I put on the hot, styled it, and then turned it on the middle section, which is the cool section. And you can see how that really just locked that in place. Here is the hair. As you can see, I'm just gonna stand up real quick. As you can see, it has that really nice like curl to it at the bottom. The brush gave me lots and lots of volume without it being frizzy. I like how it kind of did my curtain bangs too. Because my hair is super long, obviously it's not gonna have like too much curl to it. It is gonna go more straight. Really like how it just styled my hair in general. I think it feels really soft. It's not frizzy. And usually I will dry my hair with a blow dryer, or I'll let it air dry, and then I'll get this exact same style with a hair straightener. So it's just that extra step. So this really lived up to its name of being that one step hair dryer where you can style and dry your hair in the same go. And obviously you could use a round brush and hair dryer to do this exact same process, but you know, having it all in one tool and using only one hand to do it is really easy. And I've done my hair with a round brush and blow dryer before, and it just takes a lot more time, you know, and especially if you haven't had as much practice with it, you know, your hands get all jumbled up and the hair gets tangled and it's a whole mess. So this was super easy to use, and I think a lot of you guys would actually like this if you're looking to style your hair and get more of that salon blowout type look without having to go to the salon. You can just do it at home. Of course, if you have shorter hair or more layers, you're gonna be able to get that volume and that kind of flipped out look. I'll put some pictures on the screen of what I'm talking about more easily than you know, I can, because my hair is pretty long and I do have some layers, but they're not super like distinct. So yeah, this is the style I usually like to do when I try to go for that look, and I achieved it really easily with this product. And I think it's something I'm going to be using a lot to style my hair. I also like that it has the knob here so you can kind of turn it and use your other hand to guide you. And I did actually like that oval shape. I think it actually helped in kind of smoothing out the hair more and making it more straight. So I think there's a lot of flexibility with this. If you want to just do straight, just go straight down. If you want to add some curl, you know, give it that curl. If you want more volume at the top, just hold it up higher. And then, as I said, use the cool feature, which is the middle one, to make sure the hair stays locked in that style. So if you didn't know, you're supposed to use the heat to form the style you want, and then to make it hold, go on the cool function for just a few seconds, hold it there, and it will really hold those curls in, which is what I did, and it worked out really well. All right guys, so overall I really did enjoy this Playvogue hair dryer, one-step hair dryer. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know if you've tried any products like this, or if you have any questions, leave that all down below in the comments. I'd be happy to help you guys out. Other than that, I hope you're having a fantastic day or night whenever you're watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and also make sure to turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!